now not without hope I mourn. There is an advocate above, a friend before the throne of love. O Jesus, full of truth and grace, more full of grace than I of sin, yet once again I seek thy face. Open thy arms and take me in. All my backslidings freely heal, and love the faithless sinner still. Thou knowest the way to bring me back, my fallen spirit to restore. Oh, for thy truth and mercy's sake, forgive and bid me sin no more. The ruins of my soul repair, and make my heart a house of prayer. Ah, give me, Lord, a tender heart that trembles at the approach of sin, a godly fear of sin impart, implant and root it deep within, that I may love thy gracious power, and never dare to offend thee more.